All right, what's up, guys? I'm going to do a quick little market update going off based off of yesterday's video saying I don't think it was the bottom. That video was posted right around when we were here, holding this midline on the 4-hour asteroids belt around 42.1K. Uh, pretty drastic dump since then. There's really no reason for it either. Um, you know, Ukraine or whatever. I don't think that war is happening. Not that that really should have caused price action in the first place. I still think buying in this area is a very good long-term long. Um, so yeah, I've been buying at 40.5, 40.9, kind of scaling in this area. Still targeting 42.6. So this was the plan from yesterday. We didn't even get that bounce, just kind of just kept going lower. Never got the bounce to the 41.6K level either. We lost Monday's low. Then we took out this low here, the 40.9, which was the area I was really interested in the first place, where we caught that first 2-3% pump, and everyone made a good amount of money. Then I had said that our gigalong entry was like right around here, 39.3 to 38, 6, and they front ran it by $100. So my bids were not filled, which sucks. But we will see. I still think we'll probably go back into here, probably retest this bottom level. 38.6 would be giga long entry. So let's do that. Whoops. We're going to leave that right there just so everybody knows. All right, so that's Bitcoin. Staying flat for the moment, not really wanting to trade it too much today. As you guys know, kind of want to wait for this to form to kind of, especially on a holiday weekend. We got President's Day on Monday, so it's going to probably be pretty volatile and low volume. So I'm not really interested in over trading this weekend. I'm going to wait for this low to probably get taken out and have more bids at 38.5. As for ETH, I know I've been talking about the 2750 level for a good week or so. I was wanting it here, never got it, went back up, and now we took out that low. I did have a few bids filled, but this current 4-hour not looking great either. As you could already see, it just closed 5 minutes ago. 2808 is my resistance going off of this wick, the bottom of it, January 21st. And as you can see, it literally just wicked into it and is rejecting currently in the past 7 minutes. So we will see. Probably going to take some of that off. Not too confident just yet. Uh, Really, I'd like this 2640 level. So this is the downtrend as well. I should have a look at that. Don't want to make this video too long, but that's a downtrend from all-time high in November. I showed that to you guys yesterday as well. So a retest of that as support would be what I'm really looking for, and it pretty much is today if you look at it on high time frame. So we want to see that hold. If it doesn't, then I'll be interested in 2640. So everybody knows those levels of where to long, and you can just place your stop losses below these lows. Always direct cost average in when we're dumping excessively like that, because it could always go lower. If you go all in at once, you'll just get wrecked before, even though you're right, and it's a good time to buy. You bought too quickly and you used too much leverage, and you had to close it for a loss before it actually bounced. So always direct cost average in on times like that. That's Bitcoin, that's ETH. Let's see. I wanted to look at Solana as well. We lost that trend currently. Yeah, so this will be the first. This is the daily. First daily, if it closes below this trend, I'm not going to be too happy. We're going to be looking at this area here, $65 to right around 80 again. I'm expecting it to come back into this area, unless this magically closes above $94 today and pumps all the way back up, which is possible. We could just be getting, scaring the bulls real quick. We're still holding 40K, so it doesn't look bad. I'm not really worried about Bitcoin until really if we went below 36K again. Still bullish, just as long as we don't go below here. So this is the asteroids belt on daily currently. On normal mode, I want to check slow because I think it'll give us a different outlook. So yeah, if you look at it like that, we've made our way back into the belt, and now we're holding the bottom level as support. Wicked below it, still keeping it. The daily closes above 40.5. I'd say we really don't go much lower. We might not even get this entry, but we will see. I want to look at Luna as well. So our buy zone here just got wrecked yesterday. Still holding this 49.50 level. So still looks half decent. We just want to get it back into this range, back above $60. So we will see. Looks. Someone was making fun of me. I think George was making fun of me yesterday. I'm trying to long this shit coin, but I mean, look at this downtrend, man. It's down 70%. It's up over 10% today. Going off the fibs of the video yesterday, the entry I really want is this $1.36. So if this rejects, comes down to $1.36, which would be currently from this price level, another 20% dump from here. That's where I'm gonna gig along it. I don't even care. I'm just gonna do it. I think that's a great opportunity, especially after such an intense downtrend. So yeah, you can look at it like that. Kind of broke out of it. We just broke out of it again. I want to get one more retest at this $1.36, which would be, I think our last fib coming down. So hopefully that's helpful. I do think alts are going to do really well this year. We're just dealing with a little retracement. Last week we were all super happy when it was holding our gigalong entry buy zone. 36.2K. I was still bullish. We just shot right out of it unexpectedly. I really just wouldn't. I'm not going to start to be bearish unless we lose this 36.2K level. Right now, all I really see is a higher high and higher low. So this current 4 hour on the slow mode, what I don't like looking at it just here is we were treating the midline as support of the belt. Now we're kind of treating as resistance like this one, wicked above, rejected it, closed below, same thing here and here again currently. So that's important to pay attention to. If it does break back down, we would expect like 38K or at least into our area here. So I know everyone's kind of wanting to buy this dip. So like I said, people are going to front run your bids. I'm waiting for 39.3. They front run at 39.4. It pumps all the way back up to 40.4. So, don't be too precise. Just kind of like direct cost average in. If it's near the level you want to buy or sell, just go in little bits at a time. And yeah, if there's any other questions, any other chart requests you guys want me to do, just let me know. And we will revise this tomorrow. We will see. So I think it's going to be an interesting weekend. We might get our bids filled. Do I think it's the bottom here? Very possible if we close above 41K. So let's see. All right, guys. Have a good day.